Narayana live classes key discussion. Class 10. The topic is India relief features. India relief features. Let us look on to the question and answers. Whatever that are there in this lesson. Okay. So name the divisions in the Peninsula Plateau. Peninsula Plateau has been divided mainly into the Peninsular Plateau is mainly or broadly divided into two categories. What are the two categories? The two categories are the Central Highlands and the Deccan Plateau. Deccan Plateau. These are the divisions. And these Central Highlands are once again divided into two categories. The first one is Malwa Plateau. The second one is the Chota Nagpur Plateau. Chota Nagpur Plateau. So, the divisions of the Peninsula Plateau are mainly two. The Central Highlands and the Deccan Plateau. The Central Highlands are divided into Malwa Plateau and the Chota Nagpur Plateau. So, the next question is, what are the names of the eastern coastal plains? You see very well, children, that India is having a benefit of having a long coast, that is 7,516 kilometers. In this side, that is west side, three coastal areas are there, plains are there, and even in eastern side also we have three coastal areas. The Tamil Nadu region, we have the Coromandel coast. Coromandel coast is located in the Tamil Nadu region. Andhra Pradesh, we have the Sarkar coast, and Odisha we have the Utkal coast. So these are the three important coastal plains in the eastern side. The first one is Coromandel coast. The second one is Sarkar coast. And the third one is Utkal coast. These are the important coasts. Okay. Now write about Thar Desert. What is this Thar Desert? It is located on the leeward side of the Aravallis. Leeward side of Aravallis. It has a scanty rainfall of 15 to 100 millimeters. And at the same time, this particular area, we have the river that is called as Luni. The river Luni, internal drainage. It will not flow into this river will not flow into any ocean, but it will be drying into the sands of the Rajasthan. Okay. And this particular Thar Desert, it is having rocky outcrops. No vegetation, but it is having rocky outcrops, and these rocky outcrops with the undulating sand dunes means not a level one, but they are having ups and downs. So undulating sand dunes are also found in this particular area. And this Thar Desert, it is getting the water with the help of small lakes or the streams. From that it will be getting the water. These are the different points. It is located on the leeward side of the Aravallis, and the Luni river, which is flowing here, having the internal drainage. It has very little or scanty rainfall. And you can see that the rocky outcrops and undulating sand dunes are found here. The lakes or the streams will be providing sufficient amount of the water to these areas. Okay. Plateau regions do not support agriculture as much as the plain. What are the reasons? The most important reason is the soils. This particular plateau region, it is having the soils enriched with the minerals, and these minerals are useful for industrialization but not for the agriculture. Whereas the plains, what happens in the plains, the rivers will deposit very fine fertile alluvium, hence that is useful for agriculture. But here in this plateau region, the deposition of the minerals the formation of the minerals is there, hence that is not that suitable for the agriculture. That is the first one. And the second one is rivers. Many of these peninsular plateau region, they have the rivers which are dry during non-rainy seasons. Only during the rainy seasons they will get the water. Hence, during the non-rainy seasons, they will remain as the dry. Due to that, what happened? Agriculture cannot be that prosperous in this particular region. Soils, rivers, and at the same time, one more reason for not supporting agriculture is the plateau rocks are very hard, and igneous rocks are there. Due to that, what happens? The digging of tanks is also very difficult. The water will not percolate into the ground, one thing, and second thing is the digging of the tanks is also very difficult. So these are the reasons that the plateau regions do not support agriculture as much as that of the plain regions. Okay, now let us look at the next one. Explain the island groups of India. Mainly the island groups are two island groups are there. One is Andaman and Nicobar, and the second one is Lakshadweep. And Andaman and Nicobar Islands, origin is volcanic eruption. Due to volcanic eruption, these Andaman and Nicobar Islands are formed, and even today also we will find Narkan Dam and Barren Islands. These are very active volcanoes even today also. Barren Islands. And here in this Andaman group only, Indira Point is there. This Indira Point is submerged in the tsunami of 2004. Okay, so Indira Point is the tip of India in oceans, in the ocean. And third one is Lakshadweep. Lakshadweep Islands, they are of coral origin, and it has 32 square kilometers of area. They are very small. And these Lakshadweep Islands, they are fully occupied with the flora and fauna. A diversified flora and fauna is found in this Lakshadweep group of islands. So children, most of the islands in Lakshadweep are uninhabited, whereas in the Andaman and Nicobar Islands, some areas are occupied by the people. And you know very well that Andaman and Nicobar Islands that was used as a prison during the national freedom struggle. You remember that Tilak also was sent to this prison long back. Okay, so tomorrow we will meet with one more assignment key. Until then, have a nice day.